In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a website on BigCartel. So I'm going to show you how you can make a website that maybe looks like this, or maybe it will look like, let's see, like this. There are a couple of options here. You can see all of these themes, and all of these are templates that we can start using in this video to build a website. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go ahead and keep watching this video, and then I'll show you step by step pretty much how you can get here and how you can set up your website. Alright, so here we are on BigCartel.com. Now this is the page where you can get started. So what you want to do is go to this website, click on sign up in the top right corner, and then you can choose a plan. So they've got a couple of paid plans, but I'm just going to go with the free one. So you want to click sign up for free, and then you can sign up for your BigCartel account, which you need in order to create a website. And there we go. So once you've created your account, it will send you over here what it will say, congrats on your new shop. Now what you can do is simply scroll down and set up everything on here, or you can go to account, and then if you scroll down, you'll come across your shop, aka your website. So first of all, you can click on customize design, and that's where you can build and customize your website. But I do want to say that if you're actually going to do this, you need to add products first, because as you can see right here, we can preview our website, but it's not going to show any products, so we cannot get a good feeling of what it will look like. So what I recommend doing is going back to your dashboard and adding products first, which you can do by going to products over here and then click add product. Now it's really simple to add a product. So what you would do is give it a name right here. I'm just going to call this headphone 1. So don't pay attention too much to the captions that I'm going to add here. You can then add a category, for example. You can set up a new one. So let's say that I'm selling headphones. I then type in headphones, click save, click done, and there we go. Let's enter a price. We'll go with like almost 50 euros. And then right there, let's scroll down. We're going to set up shipping. So let's choose a country. We'll go with everywhere. And then right there, you can type in like whatever, right? So 5 euros, maybe right there, like 4. And then there we go. If you then click save, you've just created that product. Now all you need to do next is add an image. So click right here, add an image, and then if you simply select a product photo, it will upload, and then you're set. That's how you can add products to your website. Now once you've done all of this, you can click on save. You can then set up another product and another one and another one, all the way up to 5 products with the free plan. So if you're using the free plan, you can add up to 5 products. Now that I've added a product, I can go to account, I can go to customize design, and we can see and get a feeling of what it will look like. So pretty much what you can do in order to build your website and customize it is select a theme. So on here, this is the menu that we're going to be using to build our BigCartel website. In order to get started, I recommend choosing a theme first so that you can have the basics ready to go. So if I scroll down, you'll come across a lot of themes that are indeed available. What I recommend doing is simply scrolling through them and just see which one you like and which one you don't like. And then if you click on it, it will preview your website. So if I click right here, this is what the website will look like. How to digital demos. So we'll say your shop name right there. People can view products and then collections. They can go to a contact page. They can search on your website. They can see their cart. So I've got 2 of these added in here, which adds up to 108 euros. And this is pretty much where you can preview it. Now you can also preview the cart page. So if you select that, this is what the cart page will look like. And that's pretty much what you can do with every single page on here. So if you go to a product page, this is what it will look like. And you can preview that with all of these themes. So what I recommend doing is just clicking on a theme that might be interesting for you, and then pretty much check out if it's cool or not. I kind of like this one. This one looks pretty cool to me. So I'm going to be using this one for the sake of this video. But like I said, make sure you go ahead and scroll through these and find the one that fits for you. Now, like I said, like 10 minutes ago or seconds ago, of course, I'm going to be using this one. So what I can do is first of all click save in order to save the theme that I'm using. If you then click on this tool icon, we can start customizing our website. Now this is where you can customize text, colors, fonts, sizes, and all of that. So this is where you can build your entire website. Now we can start off by adding a header logo. So if I click right there on that upload icon, it will send me over here where I can upload a picture. So I'm just going to be going with the channel logo of this channel that you're watching right now. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'm posting a lot of videos like this, so if you're interested in them, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, this is what that will look like. All right, so once you upload your logo, it will show up right here. You can then also add a homepage welcome image. So if you click right there, you can also upload that. Now I'm not sure exactly what this is gonna look like, especially because I don't have any designs lined up. Let's say I choose that image. Let's see what it looks like. And let's see, it's uploading right now. So this might take a while or it might not, depending on the file, the size, and also your internet speed. But there you go, it updated, and this is what it will then look like. Now, this picture doesn't make that much sense in terms of the products, but if you add a cool photo that fits your store, it can actually be pretty cool. So make sure you go ahead and do that as well. Next up, we can start customizing the colors on our website. Now you can do that by simply scrolling down, and then here you'll find all of these colors. So on this theme, we've actually got a lot of them. We've got a background color, which you can simply customize by clicking on it and then pretty much dragging over the colors right here and then selecting it. So let's say I want a more grayish like background, you then select gray, and then you'd be ready to go. Now I'm going to keep this at white since this is pretty cool for me, like I'm fine with this. But that's how you can customize colors on your website. It works exactly the same for all of these different features. Let's say that you want to customize the welcome text. You would then make that red and it would change, right? Let's see, I'm not sure exactly where this is being displayed, but this is how you can customize text. So yeah, there we go. If I make this white, it will change. I can make it yellow, green, you get the point. So we'll make this white, there we go. So right now the shop now is white, and if I hover on it, it will become black. Alright, so this is pretty much where you can change the colors. Now next up, we can change the fonts. So if you click right there, you've got a couple of options in the free plan, actually quite a lot. So simply scroll through them and then choose the one that you would like to go with. So let's say you want to go with impact. It will then start updating, and there we go. So this is pretty much how you can do that. You can also customize the text font. So simply click on it and it will then change. All right. Now all of this is pretty simple, and you can see it changing right here. All of this is pretty simple, even if you've never done this before or you don't know how to build a website or like a store. This should be doable because all of this is simply like drag and drop type of editing, you know, like you just click on it, you then select a color, there's no coding involved or whatever. So all of this should be pretty decent, pretty doable. So right there you can also add announcement text. So you can say whatever, hurry, discount, you know, like stuff like that. You can always add that to your website. Discount code. Let's say I want to add a discount code summer, you know, and then for 20 off, whatever. You can add any announcement, any like thing right here on top of your website so that visitors will actually see that, which is cool. But this is pretty much where you can build your entire website. So I don't want to get boring here, so you basically get the point by now. On this section, you can find all of the settings, all of the features on your website. You can customize the font sizes, the fonts itself, and the colors on here. You can also add your social media. Let's say that you want to add your Instagram. What you would do is pretty much type your Instagram link. So you can do that, or you can simply get it from Instagram itself. But if you type in instagram.com/your username, it should work. All right, let's see where that actually appears. Right there you can see then that Instagram does indeed show up. If you then click on it, you will send people over to that Instagram page, which is cool if you want to add your social media. Now of course we're going to save this, and then we've just built this. Now we can also add pages, and we can also do advanced stuff with coding. I'm not going to go into that today because you probably don't need it and it's not for a beginner. So what you can do, the final step is add pages to talk about who you are, explain your return policy, show your blog, and more. So if you click on that plus icon, you can create a new page about me, for example. Then right there, you can simply type stuff about yourself, and then it will show up. So I can say I'm How To Digital. Let's say a channel that provides you with, hopefully easy to follow tutorial videos. That's what you can then put in there, and it will then show up right here. Let's update the preview, and there you go. If you then click done and then save, you've just basically added this page onto your website. And that's pretty much how you can build a simple website on BigCartel. So it's all about choosing a theme, adding pages, adding products, and then you've pretty much built yourself a website. So this is kind of like a cool, like weird like type of theme, but you can choose any of the other ones as well. And that's pretty much how you can do this. Alright, so if you now click save, you've just made yourself a BigCartel website. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what happens if we go back, and here we go. And that's pretty much it. So if I click right here, alright, so I just changed it to this theme, but this is what it will then look like. You've just built yourself a simple website, and you can add products and like payment info and all of that on here. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can build a BigCartel website. If this simple step-by-step video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on this video. That would help me out a lot. If you have any questions, make sure you go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you out, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.